Hey guys, in today's video we'll be talking about two very profitable and unique trading view indicators. We'll be talking about the X trend indicator and the QQE mod indicator. If you want to know actually how we tweak this actual indicators to give us consistent profit, watch the video till the very end. And if you want more videos like this, all you have to do is to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when a new indicator is released. So, without any further ado, let's actually get into the strategy detail. So, let's just switch this off. Get this off where you at. Right here, let's switch this off. Now, the X trend indicator is actually, would I say, not so profitable indicator if you check. It's quite profitable, but the point of confluence stuff where you have more than one indicator actually helps a lot to filter out all the fake signals and so. So basically, this one is actually easy to understand. This is sell, this is buy. As you can see, this one failed. But assuming our histogram was on here, you would have seen it, so it filtered it out. There's another buy, there's another sell, this is a buy, this is a sell. So basically you understand the concept of the X trend indicator. Okay, let's switch that off and switch on the QQE MT4 class modified. Now basically all we're doing with this indicator is checking if the QQE crosses above the 30 line, you go for a buy, and if the QQE crosses below the 70 level, you go for a sell. That's basically what this QQE MT4 glass modified by Justice, whatever that name is actually for. So I'm going to just show you how we mix out the whole indicators and how you can make profits from it. For a sell signal, this is what we first see, the sell signal right here. Now it brings up a red candle. The QQE line, you can see it crossed below the 30 line. Now what we'll actually do, another let's say confluence or another indication for us to enter is actually the wait for in the case of a sell, a green candle. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is your sell signal right here. Now a pullback candle, that is what we're waiting for, and then we enter the market. So basically we're going for a short position right here. This is the sell signal. This is where you enter right up here. Your stop loss will be maybe probably a few pips above the X trend indicator, just a few pips above, somewhere right here. And your risk to reward ratio is 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Very beautiful risk to reward ratio. So even if you get a loss, you actually have to have 2 losses in a row in order for you to terminate the profit you've already made, which is quite rare for you to have 2 losses in a row with this particular strategy. I'm telling you guys have not seen this strategy before. This is unheard of, guys. So 1:2 goes way beyond it, but for us to be on the safer side, we just go for 1:2, and that one is done cleanly. Now, okay, basically this is our buy signal right here. Signal, you can see the line crosses this the 30 line here, and this histogram is showing you clean green, like green, you're good to go. But look at it, this is all indicators candle. This is the pullback we're looking for. So beautifully at the end of the pullback, we enter a long position like this. Suppose, yep, long position. Stop loss right here, a few pips right here, just right here, and take profit 1:2, just a few pips up. That one is done, cleanly done. So once again, let's see another signal. This is our short position right here. This is it, crossing the 70 line downwards. This is our pullback. Enter again. This indicators are quite beautiful, I tell you guys. They make consistent profits, and so you know there is no holy grail strategy. There are times, most times in a consolidation market, it gives false signals. So once you see consolidation, once you don't see a clear trend, I wish I could get an example somewhere around here. Yep, this is a consolidation. So we're gonna avoid the market entirely during this consolidation. Avoid the market. This is a buy here. Another signal that we are kind of left out, but basically it's a 1:2 clearly. And back to where we are here. This is it, a sell signal right here. This is where you enter. This is a few pips away from the X-trend indicator, and 1:2 done and dusted. I'm telling you guys, this is a very profitable strategy, a very profitable strategy. All you have to do is follow the rules, detail, and you will be making great profit. I think I forgot to tell you the time frame at the beginning. It's a 15-minute time frame indicator. It works best at 15 minutes. It works at higher time frame, 1 hour. It's scalping basically, so you're in and out most times. So let's go for the last one right here. A long position. This was beautifully done. Now the pullback, quite beautiful. This is your stop loss right here, and this is even 1:2 how many? 1:4. So basically this strategy is quite beautiful. If we go on, we will continue with different loads of profits before you actually see a loss. So basically guys, all you have to do in order for you to get these indicators on your chart is to go over to indicators, and while this loads, I'd like you to go over to our channel and hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, if you have seen a way to make good profits from the market, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you're enjoying the video, and you will be notified when next we drop another video. So we just search for X trend. First of all, it's called extreme trend. This is it right here. You just hit it. Then second one we'll go for is the QQE threshold. That is the name. QQE threshold by Jose. So basically we just modify this a bit. First of all, we'll just go over and switch off bar color. Bar color should be off. And your inputs, we change this from 14 to 3. From 14 we change it to 3. And basically your charts have been set up. Completely set up. Profits assured. For more videos like this, all you have to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified when we drop a new video. And by the way, our Telegram channel is still open to new subscribers. The link of the Telegram channel will be in the description box. There you get free, crazy, profitable signals on a daily basis. So basically all you have to do is go to the description box of this video and you would have access to our Gold Rush free signal channel. If you've done all this, peace.